Yaoy Elementary School is deserving the award Gawad Dakilang Filipino as National Outstanding Elementary School as Cultural and Arts Implementer because of its outstanding dedication in the field of education and work together to promote cultural awareness, creativity, and excellence in the arts. It consistently goes above and beyond to create a positive and inclusive learning environment catering to the individual needs of its learner. The school is a consistent participant and awardee in the Philippine Arts and Culture Educators Society elementary level, garnering major awards in fashion designing, solo kuntilan, likhang tinta, and model of categories since 2019 to present. Aside from the learners who garnered major awards, Teodoro Domingo, Teacher 3, was awarded to the Philippine Arts and Culture for Education Society as pinakatatanging guro ng Luzon 2020. Likewise, the former school head, Yolanda Marquez, was also awarded as the natatanging lingkod bayan ng Luzon 2023. Aside from these awards that the school have received, we have convinced another school in our municipality, Zaragoza Integrated School, as new member of the Philippine Culture and Arts Society and joined the 2024 Fan Fiesta Pilipinas, which they also received major awards. We, Uyao Elementary School, reaffirm our commitment to nurturing the next generation of artists, thinkers, and cultural leaders who will shape the future of our society. Marami pong salamat.